Tingnan mo nga naman, oh. Lamig te. No.
I saw taxi drive.
No.
Era for taxi.
Hello. Shall I say, welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan. This is my hotel. And kakarating ko lang. Actually, ang lamig. Actually, meron ng ice. Hindi pa ako nag-dinner. So, mag-dinner ako. And pupunta ako may nakita ko kanina na ano ba yon? May nakita ko na, oh my gosh, ano ba yun? Na food, parang ano ba yun? Burger. Mag-burger lang ako. Ito yung hotel ko, oh. Under renovation here. Pero yung sa kabila, kanina mayroong ice dito. Oh my God. Muulan. Diba? Ayan yung hotel ko. Oh my gosh, ang ganda, oh. Ayan yung hotel ko. Diba? Kazakhstan Hotel. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. Nakailaw kasi, ano ba yun? Ayan, today is 1 degrees. Madami akong kwento sa inyo mamaya. Ang dami na scam ako for today's video. Yung taxi from the airport. Ano kaya yan? Malapit na yung Koktobi dito. Yung, ayun o, Koktobi. Buti na lang. Safe kaya maglakad dito ng ganitong oras. Ayan, oh. Okay. Madali lang. Malamig te. Ay, ang social naman yan. Oh. Novotel, oh. Novotel. Ayan. So, pauwi na ako. Oh my gosh, ang ilang malamig. So madami akong ikwento sa inyo later on. Pag nasa bahay na ako, oh my gosh. Nakakapagod magbiyahe talaga, as in. Di ba, oh? Kumusta naman ang outfitan? Charing. Apaka face card ng mga taga Almaty na lalaki. They are so guwapo. Ang kikinis ng mukha. Ayan, ikukwento ko na. Ang nangyari is December 8, today, December 9 na ngayon. December 8, nagbiyahe ako from Dubai to Tashkent. Tashkent is Uzbekistan. Then, Uzbekistan to Almaty. Ito yung hotel ko. Okay, so, what happened is ang daming pangyayari. Oh my God. So, nagbiyahe ako like 9 a.m. in Dubai. 9 a.m. in Dubai. Tapos, nakarating ako ng Tashkent. Yeah, I think nakarating ako ng Tashkent. Hello. Hello. So, nakarating ako ng Tashkent. Napaka-late na, oh my God. So, I don't advise. Hindi ko alam kung I can advise Centrum Air kasi yun ang pinaka mura na ticket. So, yun lang. That's approximately 700 riyals. So i-times nyo na lang sa peso. I think sa peso. Yeah, I think. And then what happened is, di ba may stopover ako. Sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan. May stopover ako doon. Ang nangyari is 1.5 hour lang. So ano nga, 30 minutes siya na late. Tapos eto pa, wala mang question sa immigration dyan sa may. Kasi since transfer lang naman ako, ayun, ang nangyari is maayos naman. Tinataka naman yung passport ko. Ayun, tinanong lang sa akin, your name is Nikolai, so it's a Russian name. He said like that. Tapos ang nangyari, yeah, I know it's a Russian name. Tapos ang nangyari, ayun na. Ang nangyari na is tawag dito, ay nakalusot man ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi Diyos ko, Jules. Hindi na ako nakapag-video. May Jules, shukot na catch. So, ang nangyari, maayos naman yung pag-check-in ko from Tashkent going to Almaty. Hinanapan lang naman ako hindi man ako hinanapan ng return ticket, kung saan ako mag-stay. Wala, ano lang. Hinanapan lang ako ng boarding pass. Actually, boarding pass ko, nabigay ko pa yung Dubai to Tashkent. So sabi niya, bigyan mo ako ng yung isa na boarding pass mo. Oo. And then, ayun, sabi niya, okay, no problem. So ayun, patak na agad. So what happened is, ang nangyari is, ang daming mag-ingat kayo sa taxi dito. Taxi sa airport. Kasi pagod na ako that time. My gosh. Ang nangyari, okay naman, yung Yandex app, parang okay man, walang code na dumating or whatever. Kasi sinasabi niya lang yung Yandex is kailangan may code na dumarating. Ayun. Nakarating na ako dito mga around 10. So 10 p.m. Ayan. Di ba rumaraan pa ng alas 12 ng madaling araw? Ang ganda ng Almaty, ang lamig. Okay. Wala na, ito lang. Ang ganda ng hotel, oh. Ang ganda ng hotel ko. Malapit lahat. May mga bilihan dyan na sapatos or whatever. Oh my God. Ito, Chinese restaurant, I think. Tapos, ano yung hotel ko? Malaki, pero luma. Ayun lang. So, I think it's time to go. Matutulog na ako, be. Let's go. Good morning. Good morning, Almaty, Pakistan. Ay, Pakistan. Almaty, Kazakhstan. So punta tayo ng, our first stop itinerary is going to Ascension Cathedral. At the university. Nice. Hello, welcome to Almaty, Kazakhstan. Grabe ang lamig. Tingnan mo naman, oh. So, pupunta tayo ng Ascension Cathedral. Oh. Hindi ba mga face card? Yeah. Where's Ascension? Ayun yung Ascension Cathedral. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Punta tayo ng Ascension Cathedral. Oh, tumutunog yung ano. May misa yata. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Ascension Cathedral. Dito na tayo. Kasi walang snow eh. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda naman. Okay, our first itinerary. Nandito na tayo sa Ascension Cathedral. Oh, diba? Oh. Likod ba to? Oh, oh. Ayan, oh. Wow. Makaganda. Medyo madulas yung ano kasi... Okay, let's have a short description of the Ascension Cathedral, which is also known as the Zenkov Cathedral. It's a prominent Russian Orthodox cathedral located in the heart of Almaty, Kazakhstan.
notable for its unique wooden architecture and vibrant colors.
Nasa
So
likod
nakikita
ako.
nyo naman, very vibrant
Sa
yung
loob
colors niya,
ako.
yellow, orange. It stands as one of the tallest wooden buildings in the
Pwede
world.
kaya
Oh my God,
pumasok?
really? Wow. The cathedral is situated within the peaceful surroundings of Panfilo Park. So,
Galing
pinakita ko sa
pasok.
inyo kanina yung Panfilo Park, a major local attraction where visitors often feed pigeons and enjoy a walk.
Napakaganda. Oh, ito yung harapan. Ang daming dogs. Ano yan? Ang dogs. Ano to? Ay, may ice skating. Oh. Madulas to. Ay! Ganda, no? Oh. Pwede kayo pumasok. Tingnan mo, oh, may ice na yung
Okay, our next stop is Shimbolak Mountain Resort, and this is my way going to the mountain. Diba, puro ice, ang bongga, sobrang lamig.
Oh my god, I'm in Simbolak now. Ang ganda. Huh? Welcome to Shimbolak. Ayun.
Okay, our second stop is Shimbolak Mountain Resort, which is located near Almaty, Kazakhstan. It is the largest ski resort in Central Asia and offers a variety of year-round activities for visitors. Situated in the picturesque Medio Valley on the Trans-Liu Alatau Mountains, it provides stunning alpine views for a short distance from the city center. Wow! So can you imagine that the elevation, the resort elevation is based of 2,200 meters or 7,200 feet, with lifts reaching up to 3,200 meters or 10,500 feet above sea level. Wow! So, openly season, the Shimbolak is a year-round destination. And this opens only 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So, kasi ito, madaling maggabi, like 4 p.m. na. Pag 4 p.m. na ng hapon, nag-ano na siya, dumidilim na siya. So,
I'm going to
it
level
offers a
3.
variety of winter
Level
activities
2.
such
I'm
as
going to level 2.
skiing, snowboarding, night skiing, tubing or snowshoeing, and major ice rink.
So, eto na nga. Bababa na ako. Going down and Ang ganda-ganda dito as in. Nandito ako sa third level. Ang ano pala is dito is 8,000 tenge ang balikan. So you can access level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can access level 1, level 2, and level 3. 8,000 tenge. How much is that for, like, siguro ano lang siya, 800 something. So not bad. At least makikita mo yung ganda talaga ng Shimbulak Mountain Resort. Ayan oh. It's a white Christmas. Oh my god. So I'm going down. Ang dami nag-ski, kung marunong na ako mag-ski. Why not, right? Oh my gosh. It's a once in a lifetime journey actually. Thank you Symbolic. Thank you Almaty Kazakhstan for the free visa. Arbat Street.
Okay, our next stop is Arbat Street, which is officially Zibek Zoli Avenue, meaning Silk Way, is the most famous pedestrian thoroughfare in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Much like its namesake is Moscow, it serves as the city's vibrant cultural and social heart, especially lively in the evenings. So, the essential features would be some pedestrian zone, art and culture, shopping, and recreation. The best time to visit is the street is most energetic during summer and evenings, May to September, but it's also beautifully decorated with festive lights during the winter season. So, nag-visit ako dito during the morning time, so because I don't have the available night, so I didn't make it to visit it. So it is connected with the Panfilo Promenade and is within walking distance of Panfilo Park and the Ascension Cathedral. Oh, malapit na lang pala siya.
Arbat Street.
Bazaar. It is a vibrant, historic public market in the heart of Almaty, Kazakhstan, offering a wide array of local produced traditional Kazakh food and unique souvenirs. And the bazaar is centrally located and easily accessible. The nearest metro station is the Zibek Zola station, and taxis and ride sharing services like Yandex are also popular options. So what you can see and buy and eat is fresh food products and groceries, meat and dairy, handicrafts and souvenirs, and prepared foods. Okay, our last and finally destination is the Koktobi, meaning the Green Hill. It's Almaty's premier viewpoint and recreation area, sitting at 1,100 meters above the sea level. The operating hours generally open daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Will extend hours until 11 p.m. on Thursday and 10 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. The cable car, as of late 2025, adult tickets are approximately 4,000 Kazakhstan one way or 8,000 Kazakhstan round trip. The best time to visit is arrive between 6:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. during the summer and to witness the sunset as the city lights flicker on. Okay, how to get there? The cable car, a bus, and a taxi, of course. You can see, that's the Almaty TV tower. The battles at the Beatles Monument, the Fast Coaster, and a mini zoo and a Ferris wheel, and of course some restaurants and souvenirs.
I'm here in the famous Arasan Bathhouse. So, ito yan siya. So, I think I'm gonna... Hello you guys, and I'm in Navat restaurant, and I ordered a lot. This is a lot. I ordered chicken with broccoli, and then chicken soup, manti boiled. I don't know what's this. I think it's I ordered rice, but they give me salad. So let's taste. Let's dig in. Okay, we're gonna taste first the soup. The soup is so nice and so refreshing, and I ordered also ginger tea. Let's taste this one. Kasi wow. Sarap. Ito pala, hindi ko ininom, baka sasakit yung tiyak ko. It's a beef milk. Sarap nito. Masarap yung chicken. It's 8.50 na. Magkano kaya ito? Saan kasi yung pera ko? Masarap humigop ng sabaw. Ito kaya try natin. Momo.
Вчера я приехала.